Hi, in front of me is Realme 8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Realme device. First of all, you need to tap on settings and scroll down. Now click on fingerprint, face and password. Select set lock screen password over here, wait 5 seconds and click continue. Now you can tap on use a different password type and select one of the login methods by clicking on the chosen one. I will go with pattern, so now I have to click on it, then draw my pattern and repeat it. If you want to add your fingerprint, you can click add and follow the instructions, but I don't want to, so I will go with cancel. And now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!